What's up, YouTube? This is your boy Game Freak Daniel, aka Big D.
Welcome to my channel. This is B-I-G with the letter single D. Spreading joy for free, so smash that subscribe with these and leave a like if you don't mind, please.
Hey, I got something interesting for you guys. We are gonna blow up a battery, a E-Cig battery, and a cell phone battery. Like, this is gonna be interesting. Like, I don't know what this is gonna do. We're gonna shoot an E-Cig battery. Hopefully nothing goes too crazy. I don't know if it's gonna go kaboom or whatever, but this is gonna be interesting. So here we go. Before we do anything, let's read your guys' comments. This comment we have today is Mystery MC. I have seen the everyday, bro. I like when the Spanish dudes rap. You should react to that. I'm 16 years old. Panda Remix by Real Lack. Hey, appreciate the comment, Mystery MC. I will definitely react to that. Let me see if I can find it. So this is the video that Mystery MC wanted me to react to. So I let him watch me cook like a bocce. I cook in the booth. My word be the truth. Let me know now if my word hurtful to you. Fuck you. I don't care. This is verbal abuse. Representing your pussy, but in a all right. Dude, you talking? Why you talking? Your opinions do not matter. Slow it down for a minute. Catch my breath and bring it back. All right. Get you, dog. I'm retro. Bars go dumb, so they be special. Today, okay. Like this, I went through like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pencils, making rappers cry like bitches that's constantly watching graves. Their anatomies weird. They men, but got pussy between their legs. Okay. Dummies acting, but never use their head. I'm no barber, but step to me and I'm sure you'll catch the fade. All about this music shit, but you about to fight it. That was pretty dope, not gonna lie. Yeah, that was pretty dope. If you guys didn't know, I also have my own Panda remix. I'll go ahead and show you guys right now. DJ Swift on the truth.
Big D. Panda. Panda. I got credit cards in my Lambo, going through the woods like Rambo. You haters think you know, but I'm going with the flow. Girl, you like this, get down low, show me the way you blow. As I'm staring at them boobies on your chest, that's a lot. Whoa, now respect. It's not the exact Panda beat, but it's like a Panda remix beat. The beat is like remix, plus it's like that Panda flow, so I hope you guys like that. That was pretty good, not gonna lie. But that looks like that's all the comments, really. Just Mystery MC commented on that. So hope you guys enjoy this, and let's go ahead and start off the day. So we're at the shooting range, and we got some E-Cig battery that we're about to shoot and see what the hell this does. So, oh my, look at that. I feel sorry for this battery, not really. So we're gonna shoot it and see if it explodes. Oh my. Here's the Revolver that we're gonna be shooting at that E-Cig battery.
Okay, where's that again? This motherfucker on my hammer. Man, that is
Out.
that thing is gonna get this battery, an E-battery, man. I'm gonna show this boy how to shoot pistol. He's gonna get this. He's all about this. Look at this boy. Get it. I am. Get it, boy. Get that shit. Don't feel good as a loud gun in your hand, man.
Oh, I think I got it. Oh, I think I got it. Oh, I saw that motherfucker. I'm gonna hold off.
Alright.
I don't know how much I got left in this.
I think not.
I think I got it. Oh boy. I think I got it. Boy. Did I? There it is. Did I get it? Ah, I didn't get it. Ah, I did not get it. Shit.
That would be crazy. Okay. 6-shooter, .22 caliber 22 long rifle pistol. Oh.
Oh.
I seen that.
That was it. That was
What?
it. Yeah, that was it. That was it.
Was it?
Yeah, it was. I saw that motherfucker flew up. Oh my god. That was it.
Watch.
I'm good. I'm excited now. Here, hold it. Oh shit.
Thank you.
It's still loaded. I only fired like 3, I think.
Let's go safe.
I only fired 3. I got it that time. I know I did. First person. I didn't get it.
Huh?
I didn't get it.
Is there a way you can put that? Fucking got this.
Oh, that was close.
I told you. I said you got this.
That was it. It has to be. It has to be. That was it. This time we're shooting a phone. His earbud fell out.
Right.
You get 2 shots, I get 2. Right there is the aftermath. Oh shit. Here's the fucking phone battery. There's the phone. Alright, so it's currently the next day, and I am here to check on these batteries. I have them on these rotors, just in case they blow up. I'll try taking these. These fuckers are heavy, so let's look at these. Oh my god. Yo, I don't know if there's battery acid all over it. Oh my god. Well, the button's destroyed. And right there's the hole. And right here's the battery. Right there. Oh my god, it has an awful odor. It smells like it's like electrical. And look at the freaking cell phone battery. Oh my god. Let me get this. Right here is the freaking cell phone battery. Look at that. It freaking splitted it. Oh my. That's awesome. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I have more batteries. Want to see some explosion. These ones didn't explode. Maybe we can take these back out and shoot at them, see what happens. If you guys do enjoy this, please leave a like and comment. Let me know if you want to see another video like this. We'll be sure to blow some shit up. That's what we were wanting to see, was some explosion. Meantime, thanks for watching. Please leave a like, comment. Peace out, everyone.
Like I got church. Migrating lights.
Did he really just say God church?